Good morning, everybody. Welcome back for another video. We got something special for you guys today.
It ain't me.
I just want to first off say thank you and welcome to all of our new subscribers. We totally got a handful of people that have been joining the channel and joining us on the journey of the rehab of the $500 SRT4. Now, we're taking a break this weekend from SRT4 content to jump into something that I've been working on for about 6 years now, which is this, my 69 Chevelle SS.
750 double pumper, Edelbrock intakes, board over 30, 11-to-1 pop-up pistons, turbojet 390 horsepower. We're talking some fucking muscle.
This has been a long-term project for me. A lot of people that have been following along before that subscribed for Chevelle content. I apologize for the lack in Chevelle content over the last few years. It's been one of those hit or miss projects where I work on it and dabble in it a little bit at a time. In a series of small steps, we've managed to get the Chevelle complete, running, and driving. And today, aside from the last little trip we had, which was about a quarter mile down the street to a car show in June, we are taking it on her real maiden voyage on the street today to Two Roads Car Show. Just a quick rundown for any of you new subscribers who haven't seen this car yet. Quick short story: the vehicle used to belong to my father and was sold off in 2005, and then I tracked it down, found it, I bought it back, and then in 2019 started tearing out the old 396 big block. I still have it, so don't go crazy. It's sitting under my workbench, and doing this full LS twin turbo mayhem. Had a few beers one night, bought an LS from a friend, shout out John, After Hours Automotive. $500 5.3 block, Gen 3 5.3 out of a Tahoe, and it all went downhill from there. It's twin Borg Warner S66s. We got a Holley high ram, Shear Fabrications air to water intercooler, Rossler Turbo 400. It's a Terminator 2 with a billet Pro Series Circle D converter. We're running on Holley Terminator X. Right now, it's not tuned. It's running on an auto tune. So as we drive it, it's dialing itself in. It has target ignition maps and target air fuel maps that it's calculating off of an air fuel sensor. So the more we drive it, the more it learns, the better it gets. All the fabrication work, the downpipes, the charge piping, all the welding minus the manifolds, it's all done by Ricky Ferris, 88 Lab in Milford, Connecticut. Well, we're rolling, boys. Out here in the 69. First time going to the gas station. Go get her some fresh 93. Let's go.
You know what time it is?
It's fuel time, baby.
Yeah, not just for her.
Monsters, baby. Monsters.
Goddamn right.
First time, boys. First time. Such a special moment here at the food mart. Where's my monster?
You didn't have low calories, so I got you a biggie.
Oh, the fucking tall boy.
There you go, this one's for you.
Ready to roll down a couple crispy white ones, boys. But like water. And it's time to hit the road. Look at this guy.
Well, you didn't put this, this wasn't meant to be? You didn't install this big boy monster holder?
We might have to put that that vintage air back in here. Give it the AC, keep the canes cold. What's up, Turbo Terry?
He's more dead than I am.
He was alive when we started the build, but it took so long that this is his current state. we've made it to 2 roads. We are on the opposite side of the parking lot right now because we couldn't waste a perfect opportunity to take some photos and some stills in front of these stills. What'd you call it, Max? Your yabos?
Max likes your yabos. In fact, he loves them.
It is so weird seeing this car out of the garage after 6 years of building it and pushing it and filling it with fuel jugs for the last 2 years because it couldn't make it to a gas station. It went from not being able to make it to a gas station to not being able to pass one. Well, we just left the show. We didn't win nothing this time. No big deal. It was already a win today to be able to get this car out of the garage without pushing it and without filling it with fuel tanks and actually filling up the gas pump. She just wants to go.
She hungry.
She's hungry. But thanks again, guys. Thanks again for watching. Thanks again for subscribing. We got more updates coming this week on the black SRT. So we'll get that together and out probably by the weekend. But just want to share with you guys the Chevelle, give a little update, show you guys we're out on the street with it, getting some street time in, and just having a good old time. So thanks again for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Look at this boat. Damn. And we will see you guys on the next one. Later.
Yeah.